We have to set standards. We have to stop participating in sins or encourage those around us to do it or, entertain those things. Hey, how are you doing? Let's go to Ephesians chapter 5 and I'll be reading from verses 7 through to 11. Be ye not therefore partakers with them, for ye were sometimes darkness, but now ye are light in the Lord. Walk as children of light. For the fruit of the Spirit is in all goodness and righteousness and truth, proving what is acceptable unto the Lord, and have no fellowship with the unfruitful works of darkness, but rather reprove them. It means don't partake in sinful activities and those who are around you indulge. Set standards.